Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series dedicated to helping you master PowerPoint. In this video, we'll explore how to add and modify icons in PowerPoint, enhancing your presentations with visually appealing elements. Before we begin, I highly recommend checking out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in that can literally 2x your PowerPoint productivity with templates, themes, charts, icons, and more. Links to the add-in are in the description below. Let's get started. Icons offer a concise and visually appealing way to represent concepts, data, or actions in your presentations. Here's how you can add and modify icons in PowerPoint. Click on the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon and click on Icons located in the Illustrations group. A window will open displaying a huge collection of categorized icons. You can browse through the categories or use the search bar to find an icon that best represents your needs. Click on all the icons you want to add to your slide and click on Insert. Now that you've inserted icons into your slide, let's take a look at how you can modify them. Modifying icons in PowerPoint is straightforward. You can resize them by dragging the corner handles of an icon and even rotate and reposition them as you want. Next, right-click on the icon and select Graphics Format. This opens a dedicated panel offering various customization options. You can change the icon's color, apply gradients, or add outlines. Add shadows, glows, reflections, or other visual effects. Fine-tune the icon's size, rotation, and specific properties like transparency. Sometimes you may need more flexibility with your icons. Here's how you can create editable icons in PowerPoint. Simply right-click the icon and convert it into shapes. Converting an icon into shape gives you a lot more flexibility with what you can do. For example, converting an icon into shape also lets you animate them, but you'll have to be a little creative with it. Let's take a look at this example. Now, if you're looking for more icons than what PowerPoint offers by default, there's a simple solution for this. SlideBazaar's PowerPoint add-in provides a large library of icons that you can add to your presentation with just a click. Simply search for what you need and add them easily to your slides. Check out the following screenshots. By following these tips and techniques, you can effectively incorporate icons into your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. I hope this video has been helpful. Do not forget to check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to enhance your presentation creation experience. The links are in the description. Subscribe for more videos like this.